everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Frugalistablog here. I am coming at ya with a new e.l.f. review. These are pretty new. Sometimes I feel like, oh my god, they're already a couple weeks or a month out, so missed that boat. Moving on. But it is their CBD Skin Hit Kit, and it's basically their skincare items that all have hemp oil, hemp derived products in them. So there you go. That's what we're talking about today. Hey, welcome. If you're new, I hope you subscribe. And if you're not new, thanks so much for just coming around again. I know. You're like, maybe this video will be normal. Nope. And then you're like, I'll try again tomorrow. If you're new, I am a 47-year-old woman that has two children, aged 20 and 17. And a husband. We've been married. We are going to celebrate our 25th first date anniversary in September. It's kind of fun. We didn't have anything planned, but it would have been fun to plan something. But now with the virus, we're probably not planning anything. I live in the Seattle area. I have dry skin. So that is why this was so intriguing to me. I love e.l.f. products, you guys. I feel like there's a hair. If you don't know this already, I love e.l.f. products. They're cruelty-free, very affordable, and usually pack a really good bang for the buck. Basically, I've been on the hunt for CBD products that have hemp oil in them and have the sativa, you know, the benefits of hemp oil, because it's kind of a buzzword right now. It's like 10 years ago when soy was the big deal. But the problem is so many products have other fragrant oils or active ingredients that are triggering to my sensitive skin. I got the Skin Hit Kit because it was such a great deal. I was at Target and I noticed the skincare individually in their full sizes, and they're very affordable, but I wanted to I was reading the ingredients and I thought, you know, I'll just try them all because all of these look pretty good. And I thought, well, I don't need the lip balm, and so that's what I was gonna get. And then I thought, you know what, I'll just get the kit, and for I think it's $15, I can try 4 products and then decide if I want to buy the full size. And I'm like, oh my god, I think that's why they do this. Skincare layering, you want to go from the thinnest to the thickest. So you want to go from all, of course, your serums and acids to your creams and oils, lastly to your sunscreen, except for chemical sunscreen, which you should put on first, and we're going to talk about that another day, okay? Okay? I know. I'm going to start with this Happy Hydration Cream, and I love the Hello Hydration. Is that what it's called? Cream from e.l.f. It's in a jar. It's the fragrance-free formula is awesome. If you have dry skin and you want something on there that has the squalane and that feel of the slipperiness, it's beautiful. This is very similar to that. Let's do a little bit of a breakdown of ingredients, and then I'll explain to you what is a hit and what is a miss, or at least a skip, right? The Happy Hydration Cream has vitamin B5, hyaluronic acid, and niacinamide. And the cannabis sativa seed oil, which is the hemp seed oil, is the second ingredient after water, and that's excellent. You want to look to see if something is called this is your marula oil, or this is your hemp oil products, etc. You want to see where it's listed in the ingredient list, because if it's listed at the bottom, it's not going to have that much in it. Next is shea butter. Then we have included is also carrot root extract, carrot seed oil, some other ingredients typical in creams and lotions for emulsion. So this is great There is no fragrance, and it is a very lovely, just hydrating cream. So I really like this. And then we're gonna go to the All the Feels Facial Oil. Now, I thought this was great because it comes in, it's a 1/2 ounce of the oil, and it is also fragrance free. So no orange oil, no anything in here you need to worry about. It is got jojoba oil, rosehip oil, and sunflower oil. And all of those are really good, as well as squalane. And the All the Feels Facial Oil, first ingredient is jojoba, second is sunflower, third is grape, then we get to meadow foam, then we get to hemp. Okay, so hemp is 4th or 5th, then you get aloe, carrot seed oil, so good, it's all good, it's just a little lower on the concentration level, but it's still a nice oil. Hemp is just a great kind of it's a fatty oil. It really is supposed to be good for skin that, you know, is really needing a lot of nurturing, could be damaged, and it's great. And it's good, I believe, it's good for both oily skins and, you know, like it's healing. So if you have breakout or scarring from breakout, it can actually help with the skin's healing process, so that's good. Oh, and you guys, I will say, just this balm is the balm. I love this. It has such a good feel to it. It's not waxy, it's just super creamy, no fragrance, so it's a really good lip balm if you just want lip balm and you don't want it in a little tub and you don't want it in a squishy tube, you know, it's nice. It's really a nice lip balm, so I have nothing bad to say about that. So I'll kind of set that aside, the Calm Balm. Yeah, and it's just very softening. Okay, and then last is this Puff Puff Primer. Very funny, elf. Puff Puff. So the Puff Puff Primer is got hyaluronic acid, sunflower seed oil, vitamins A and C. And I used this before my Juvia's Place foundation, and for me it was so good. So like I put all my skincare on, and then I put this on, and it has it's not greasy, but it's got a good body to it. It's got a if I say grip, you might think it's sticky, but it just has a good feel on the skin. It doesn't just kind of fade away and it's like water and it dries and it's not. No, it has like a nice feel. I like it. If you have a dry skin and you're looking for something to put to prep your skin before foundation, like I like to wear a matte foundation and I just prep my skin beforehand, because then I get the finish of matte but my skin doesn't feel dry. Okay, so this has the hemp seed is second in the ingredient list after water, just like the hydration cream. And this also has shea butter, carrot root extract, carrot seed oil, jojoba, sunflower, etc. So here is my thought. I like this. I think that yes, it's a primer for makeup. It feels nice on the skin. It basically acts like a moisturizer on the skin. I don't see the need for the hydration cream. If the ingredients are the same, if you look at them side by side, you've got water, you've got hemp seed oil, and then you've got, this has glycerin and stearic acid and shea butter. This has, okay, so this is niacinamide and this doesn't. You might already be getting niacinamide in other skincare ingredients, right? I don't know. I mean, I think that would be maybe the only thing separating the two, but if you were like, oh, should I get one or the other? This has more hydration, it has more, just a little more oomph on the skin. And if you're gonna wear it before makeup, it's great. And then this one, if you just want that niacinamide, and you're just looking for hydration, I guess, sure. That was my only thing. Like, get the kit if you want to, get all of the products if you want to, but when I was kind of looking at I'm like, I'm reading this ingredient list and I'm thinking, they're the same. So if you buy a full-size tube of this and then you bought a full-size jar of this, and you might go, huh? What am I doing? So I just thought I would share that. There you go. That is my take on the e.l.f. hemp derived cannabis sativa seed oil products with a little bit of a hit of hydration. Super cute. No, hemp is awesome. Hemp is an amazing resource. It's so good. It's just one of those, you know, it is such a sustainable ingredient. You are not using up a ton of resources to grow it. It has so many great uses. So it would reduce our carbon footprint if we relied more on it, etc. You know, the studies are all there. So and I've heard such good things about it. And even Paula's Choice they've started to include hemp. And, you know, I've loved some other hemp products. So that's why I'm like, the Inky List, I think, is the one hemp moisturizer I like. So, but every time I click on a hemp product, I notice, whether it's Sephora or Amazon, there is something in there that is not going to do well for my skin. So I thought I would help you guys out if you're interested and you're wondering the same thing. So there you go. And I'll list all the products below. I really hope that you enjoyed this, and thank you so much for watching. Hang in there. Stay home if you can. Wear your masks when you go out. Be nice to employees. Those are my mottos. Okay, I will see you next time. Bye.